This is our mini lighting kit. If you've never lit anything before with LEDs, or if you've never lit anything, period, I think you're going to find that this kit is fairly easy to use. The kit comes with a battery holder with a nice on-off switch, two little 1.8mm LEDs, you can see there's two here, and two pieces of shrink tube. One thing I like to do, you'll notice that the lights have black wires and red wires, and the coin holder has the same black wires and red wires, and that's how you're going to be connecting. But before I even attach to the coin holder, one thing I like to do is go ahead and turn on the lights just with my battery. So take the battery out of its package, and you'll notice the battery has a shiny side with a plus on it, and then it has kind of a rough side. The shiny side goes to the red on the lights, and the rough side goes to the black wires on the lights. So you can see these are some nice bright little lights, and one thing I like to do is test them inside of my room box to see how much light I'm going to get in my box and maybe where I want to position the lights. Okay, so the next step is to make a small hole in the back of your box. The hole does not need to be very big because it's only going to be big enough to pass these fine wires through. So go ahead and make that hole. You can see I made a hole right here on my box. Okay, so I'm going to thread the wires in from the front. Okay, and here we are. We have our wires coming out the back of the box. And now I would position my lights where I want them with respect to my furniture or what have you, my different floors. Maybe I want to light over a stairwell or outside of a window. You can position the lights and again test with the coin cell until you get everything just how you like it, and then glue the lights in place. Okay, now coming back to the back of the project, I have some wires and I have my coin cell holder. Okay, so what I'm going to do, these two pieces of black stuff are called shrink tube, and a lot of people like them because they shrink when you heat them and they can be nice and neat for your connections. Put your shrink tube onto the wire, then go ahead and gather up, I'm going to start with the black, so I gather up my two black wires and I twist them really firmly. Go ahead and twist nice and firmly. You're not going to break anything. You can see I'm twisting, oh, I don't know, a dozen or so times until you have this nice and tight. Okay, go ahead and put the shrink tube over that. Okay, that's done. Now, same thing with the red. Gather the two reds together with the coin cell red. I don't know if you can see right here, I have my reds from my lights, my reds from my coin cell, and go ahead and give some good firm twists. Okay, now you can see my nice tight connection here. Okay, and then I'm going to slip my piece of shrink tube back over. Now, the shrink tube can be shrunk with a match or a hairdryer, whatever you happen to have handy that'll give you heat. But before you shrink, go ahead and put your coin cell in. Remember the coin cell has a shiny side with a plus? Well, this holder, I don't know if you can see it, but the holder also has a plus. So I'm going to put my battery in and go ahead and press the on switch. And you can see I have my lovely lights inside of my building. Okay, now coming around to the back again. Keep my lights inside my building. I can now go ahead and use my hairdryer or my lighter and just melt this shrink tube nice and small.